There are tons of different strategies that can help with the buying and selling process of a home, but staging can make quite a dramatic difference. Hi, I'm Jamie Flanagan with eXp Realty, and I'm going to share the benefits of staging your home. 1/4 of buyer's agents told the National Association of Realtors that staging increased the offering price by 1 to 5% compared to homes that were not staged. Among sellers agents, 22% say the same, and 17% say it actually increased the offering price by 6 to 10%. Advocates say that staging a home can increase a home's selling price and the likelihood that it will sell quickly, as it helps prospective buyers better imagine how they can use the livable space. 82% of buyer's agents said staging a home made it easier for a buyer to visualize the property as a future home. And according to Home Advisor, it costs around $631 to $2,300 to stage a home. And with Big Picture Real Estate Group, we offer 100% free staging when you work with us to help you make the most of this process. So start packing and let us make your home show ready. We have all the furniture and accessories ready to show off your home in the best way possible. Again, I'm Jamie Flanagan with Big Picture Real Estate Group and eXp Realty, and we look forward to helping you make a move.